Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you viewers, friends? Hopefully you will be fine. So guys, in this video I am share beautiful new and elegant ideas and most versatile skirts pattern I am introduced in this video. Guys, like this video and enjoy my ideas that are most fabulous, new, elegant and attractive ideas share in this video. So guys, hopefully you will enjoy beautiful and new attractive ideas and new versatile pattern. So friends, like this video and enjoy my ideas, new different stylistic pattern I am introducing in this video. That's very amazing ideas. You can enjoy these beautiful ideas and new trending designs. Guys, like this video and enjoy my ideas, beautiful new and worthy pattern I am share with you and stylistic pattern. So guys, thank you so much to watching this video at the last. I will meet you next time. Have a nice day guys. You will enjoy this video, beautiful and trending ideas, and guys, you will enjoy this video, new and versatile pattern. So friends, thank you so much. Like these skirts which I am share in this video, and guys, you will enjoy this video, new attractive and outclass ideas and women's settling styles, fashion designs. Like this video and enjoy my ideas that I am introduced with you. Hopefully friends, you will like this video, new different designs, allocative styles skirts हैं. And friends, thank you so much for watching this video at the last. I will meet next time, and thank you viewers. You will enjoy this video, your different designs and outstanding ideas. Thank you viewers to watching this video at the last. Have a nice day viewers.